Today we're going to be studying mathematics.
And emerges from the second mirror.
These words sound
Be your teacher for today. Hi students, you are welcome back to this class. Today we are going to consider Measuration 2. I believe you enjoy the Measuration 1, and today we want to consider Measuration 2, and under Measuration 2 we are going to look at cone. Under this cone we are going to look at volume of a cone, and we are going to look at area of a cone. Okay? I want to explain what cone is all about. If you have seen funnel before, maybe for instance at home, mommy just asks you to go and bring funnel, put it inside a bottle, and pour water inside. That's an example of cone. You can also do this at home, making use of your cardboard to make a cone. Even when we're in school, we use cardboard to form ring gauge, whereby you use cardboard to form a funnel, you bury it, and the volume of water entered that bottle we describe wind vane. Ring gauge. Okay, so this is just the picture of what I'm talking about. You have something like this. You have something like this. Okay. And you have a bottle. Okay. This is cone. In cone, we have, it could also be like this. We have L, it's called slant. We have radius, and we have height. So H is height, okay, R is radius, and L is called slant. Now, we want to look at volume of a cylinder. How can we find volume of a cylinder? That's what we want to look at now. Volume of cylinder equals to 1/3 of area of a circle. What does that mean? It means V equals to 1/3 means 1/3 times pi r squared. Okay? You remember that pi r squared is the area of a circle, and this is 1/3. So for you not to forget easily, you can just put it in this form. That is V equals to 1/3 times pi r squared. You know your pi. Your pi is 22/7. Arrow is radius. Okay? Okay, now, since we know the formula to find the volume of a cone, we can now give example how we can apply this formula in finding the area of a cone. So let's look at this example together and see how we can apply it. Okay, class, so this is a cone. Now, how can we find the volume of a cone? Volume of a cone equals to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Okay, this will give us 1/3 of pi r squared h. Remember that this is the volume of a cylinder, that is the area of a square multiplied by h. So this will give us 1/3 pi r square h. So r is radius, h is height, and pi is 22 all over 7 or 3.142. So this is the formula to find the volume of a cone, and I want you to really compare this so that you will not get confused with the volume of cylinder. So now let's look at example where we can apply this formula in finding the volume of a cone. Let's take a look at this example. Okay, class, let's take a look at this example. Calculate the volume of a cone of radius 7 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. So our pi will be 22 over 7. Okay, now volume of a cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. Okay, now V will give us 1/3 times 22 all over 7. R is 7 square multiplied by h, which is 3. This will give us, V will give us 1/3 times 22 all over 7 times 7 square means 7 times 7, then multiply by 3. This 3 will cancel this 3. This 7 will cancel this 7. We are left with V equals to 1 times 22 times 7. So this will give us 22 multiplied by 7. 7 times 2 will give us 14. 4 remain 1. Then 7 times 2 will give us 14 again plus 1, 15. So we have volume of a cone to be 154 centimeter cube. Remember, we are using cube for volume. I believe you get this. Now let me give you another example, maybe more difficult than this, in case you come across any difficult question. Let me give you example 2. Okay, okay class, let's take a look at this example. Calculate the volume of a cone of radius 7 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. So our pi will be 22 over 7. Okay, now volume of a cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. Okay, now V will give us 1/3 times 22 all over 7. R is 7 square multiplied by h, which is 3. This will give us, V will give us 1/3 times 22 all over 7 times 7 square means 7 times 7, then multiply by 3. This 3 will cancel this 3. This 7 will cancel this 7. We are left with V equals to 1 times 22 times 7. So this will give us 22 multiplied by 7. 7 times 2 will give us 14. 4 remain 1. Then 7 times 2 will give us 14 again plus 1, 15. So we have volume of a cone to be 154 centimeter cube. Remember, we are using cube for volume. I believe you get this. Now let me give you another example, maybe more difficult than this, in case you come across any difficult question. Now let's look at this example together. Example number 2. The slant side of a cone is 5 centimeter long. If the height of the base is 4 centimeter, calculate the volume. Now what are we going to do? We can draw it like this. Okay. Now, this is base. 4 centimeter. Okay, this is slant, 5 centimeter, and the height is 4 centimeter. Okay, sorry. So this is radius. This is radius, and radius is what we are looking for now. Now, looking at this question, if you pick this out, you are going to have something like right angle triangle. Okay, this will be R, 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now, from here, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. And when you apply Pythagoras theorem, what happens? You are going to have A, B, C. So this will give you AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, what is AC? Is 5 square equals to AB 4 square plus BC R square. Okay, this will give you 5 times 5 equals to 4 times 4 plus R square. This will give you 25 equals to 4 times 4 will give you 16. Am I right? 16 plus R square. So now you are going to collect right time. 25 minus 16 equals to R square. So 25 minus 16, what are you going to have? 1 here. This one will give us to give us 9. 2 minus this one will be 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you are going to have 9 equals to R square. R will give you square root of 9. So square root of 9 is what? 3 centimeter. Okay. Now, once you get R to be 3 centimeter, you can now come to the volume of a cone. And volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi R square H, which is the volume of a cylinder. Okay, V will give us 1/3 times 22/7. Remember, we have it to be constant, times R, 3 square. What's our H? Is 4. Okay, volume will be 1 times 22 times 3 times 4 divided by 7. So this will give us 22 multiplied by 12 divided by 7. So 22, 12, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 2, 4, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 2, 2, plus 4, 6, 2. So this will give us 264 divided by 7. 264 divided by 7 will give us 37.7 centimeter cube. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's go to the last part of this topic, and we are considering curved surface area. Okay, to find the total surface area, pi R L over L plus R. Now R, pi is 22/7, R is radius, and L is slant. Okay, now let me give you example where to apply this formula in finding the total surface area of a cone. Example. Okay, class, we want to find total surface area. Calculate total surface area of a cone. Below, we have L to be 6 centimeter. Okay, we have R to be 7 centimeter. Now, to find the total surface area, remember the formula is pi R bracket L plus R. Total surface area equals to 22 all over 7. Remember, pi is constant, which is 22 over 7 or 3.142. Multiplied by radius, which is 7, bracket L is 6 plus radius, which is 7. Okay? So this one will give us TSA equals to 22 all over 7 times 7 bracket 7 plus 6 will give us 13. Okay, this 7 will cancel this 7. We have total surface area to be 22 times 13. So let's see 22 times 13. We have 22, 13. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 2, 6. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 2, 2. So we add it together, 6, 8, 2. So this will give us total surface area will be 286 centimeter square. Remember, we are looking at area. So I believe you understand this, and you can apply this formula to find total surface area of a cone. You can even set question by yourself in order for you to know that you can solve it. Okay, now let's look at curved surface area of a cone. That is the next thing to look at now. Curved surface area of a cone. Okay, class, we want to look at curved surface area of a cone. And what is curved surface area? Equals to pi r L. Pi is 22 over 7. R is radius. And L is slant. Okay? Now, let me give you an example. Let's say, for instance, a question is given to you. Example. Find the curved surface area of the cone below. You have something like this. Something like this. This is radius, 7 centimeter. Okay. And L, 10 centimeter. Okay. Let's look at this together. Curved surface area of a cone equals to pi r L, which will give us 22 over 7 times r, 7 centimeter, times L, 10 centimeter. So this 7 will cancel this 7. You are left with 22 times 10 centimeter, which will give us 220. I hope you are satisfied with that. 22 times 10. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 2, 2. So you add it, is 0, 2, 2. So that's how we get 220 here. So your unit will be centimeter cube. I believe you are getting this class. I mean, all these examples given to you. In case you find anyone difficult for you, you can always get back to us through the WhatsApp number rolling on the screen, and we will get back to you with a positive answer. Now, before we round up this class, I'm going to give you homework so that to keep you busy until we meet next class. So let me give you work to do. Okay, class, before we leave this class, we want to look at this homework. This is just for you. Number 1, find the volume of this cone. We have 4 centimeter. We have 5 centimeter. The B part, we have 4 centimeter, R, and 5 centimeter. Number 2, find the total surface area of the cone below. We have 6 centimeter here, we have 2 centimeter, we have 10 centimeter, and we have 3 centimeter. I believe you are enjoying this class. I still need to remind you once again that at the end of this module 3, you are going to write examination, online examination, just at the comfort of your house. To make me happy and to make your parents happy, you have to study very well. Till we meet next class, au revoir.